Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix GoodShort's new 4K streaming issues. So let's get started with the video. So if you're facing this kind of issue, first you need to make sure that you are using a good internet connection because 4K streaming requires a stable and high-speed internet connection. So just ensure that you are using a good internet speed and it meets the recommended requirement for 4K content. That is around typically 25 Mbps or higher. How you can check it is open any of the browser in your phone and in the search bar you can search for internet speed test. Here you will get this blue icon, click on run speed test and check the speed. Just make sure that you're using 25 Mbps or higher. So once you check that this is a stable internet, you are using the stable internet connection, the next thing which you can do is try to update the GoodShort application. You can go to your Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, you can go to the App Store and search for GoodShort application. If you get an option of update here, make sure that you update the application. Also verify the device compatibility. You need to confirm that your streaming device support the 4K playback and is compatible with the GoodShort application. The next thing is, if any of the application that is running in the background, make sure that you close all the background applications. So closing the unnecessary apps, so it will help in optimizing the streaming performance. At last, what you can do is try to restart your device once. Sometimes simply restarting your streaming devices, router or modem, it can resolve the temporary glitches that has been affecting the 4K streaming. So this is how you can resolve this issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.